Hey gang, it's Sealy Clark here, just coming to you live. I am going to do a video on how to do video. Now I shake like a dog pooping peach seed, so I'm holding my phone up. I'm going to show you how to use free video software. There is many video software platforms out there that are for free. One of them is Screencast-O-Matic. Another one is NCH, which Richard and John Weberg use quite a bit. I use Screencast-O-Matic because it's a little simpler for me personally. They're both really simple. I just happen to know how to use this one first. So you're going to go to Screencast-O-Matic, download the free copy. I have it here on my computer, and if you're going to start, let's say I have Nile Lifestyle up here. Okay, I want to do a recording today. I'm going to be doing another recording here shortly for you folks. You click on this. I'm just going to show you how to launch the bad boy. Okay, now this is what it looks like. You're going to hit record, and it'll give you several options. Now the first one is, of course, you record and you can have the screen, which will just show you the screen. Make sure this is on. This is narration, like if you're going to do a video and talking. The screen one is if you're in your underwear. One of the beauties of working from home, if you're in your skivvies or your nightgown or your muumuu or your mankini or whatever, you don't want folks to see you. If you need to shave or shower, this is a great option because it just shows the screen and you can talk to folks and do a video. So if you're recording just computer audio, you can use this one. I'll go through the functions. Screen just shows the screen. Webcam, as you'll see here, shows the camera, as you can see behind it. Both is what you'll see me do a lot. Okay, there I am in the corner, but you can see what I'm doing on the screen as well. Alright, now to max time, I don't use that function. Videos go however long they go. You can adjust the screen size. You can also, in this particular thing, if you need to adjust it down to a smaller video, you can. See how you can shrink it to fit? Okay, you can shrink it here. There we go. See, and it'll record whatever within those frames, and we'll put that back out. So there, and if you want to, like I have an air conditioner going in the background, you can probably hear it above me. What you can do, if you only want to record something with the computer sound but not the narration sound, of course, you can have that off. There's a microphone, then an X. If you want to turn it on, like you're talking, like I'm going to be talking to the video here in a minute, I hit either default microphone, or if you have another microphone built into your computer, you hit this. Now you can see that green bar, like when I cough, it goes all the way up. So you can set that how you want. You can play with that for certain videos. Usually I mumble very, very badly, and I'm very soft-spoken usually. So I keep this up a little higher. It gives a little bit better audio quality. When I first started doing videos, it did not come through so well on the audio. So those are the functions of it. Once you get the volume where you want, you hit OK, because you can sample it and play it back to yourself and other such things. Alright, now I am going to show you how to get started. So you have your audio, you can see it here. You can see my audio is coming in pretty well. I'm going to do a sample video here. I don't have the computer. I have the computer audio and the narration on. That means if I play a video on the computer or something else, it'll hear it, and it'll hear me running my Pi hole. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here. You're going to hit record. It'll give you a countdown timer. Hey gang, it's Sealy Clark here. I am doing a video recording on my phone showing people how to run my video recorder. Yeah, I know. Sounds like a time loop. Anyway, just wanted to do this quick example video to show people. And until I talk to you again, have a great day. Bye. Now you can see that recorded for 16 seconds, 17 seconds. Now you can come back here. Hey gang, it's Sealy Clark here. I am doing a video recording on my phone showing people how to run my video recorder. Yeah, I know. Sounds like a time loop. Anyway, just wanted to do this quick example video to show people. And until I talk to you again,
Have a great day. Bye.
Now, if you like it, you can hit done. You can edit it. You can draw on it. You can trash it and start over, or you can hit done. Now, I'm going to do an example like you're going to upload this to YouTube. I'll hit done. It'll work on it. And you can upload it to YouTube if you have a YouTube channel. Okay. You'd think a 5-ounce phone wouldn't be heavy, but like I said, back in my 20s, I thought I was invincible, paying for it in my 40s. Anyhow, unlisted means only the people you give the link to can view it. Public, of course, means public. Private means nobody gets at it, even if they find the link. Title, of course, you can put whatever you want for the title. You can put a YouTube description in there. My advice with this particular software, keep the description short, so it'll cut down on the time it takes. And when you hit publish, it'll show you, I'll show it to you right now as a matter of fact. Okay. Let me go back a second. Go back. You can also upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, or you can save it to your computer as a video file. Real important point here. Whenever I do anything to YouTube, whenever you do anything to YouTube, you should, of course, upload it to YouTube, get that part of your day done, you know, get it going, but remember to always, always, always save it as a video file on your computer. Now, I have heard, I've not seen it personally, and I have people that have been using video online and video on YouTube for dang near 20 years and have never had any problems, but I heard that other people in the online marketing industry got their YouTube account shut down for using it for business. Now, don't panic. Just wanted you to be aware. They may be doing something very different, or there may be a reason we don't know about why they got their stuff shut down. I don't know. All I heard is it happened to a couple of people in the industry, you know, friends of friends of friends. So do your due diligence. Always back up your stuff. But anyway, you can publish it, of course, to a video file. But once you, let's say, upload it to YouTube, say I put in all this good stuff, you hit publish, and it'll say publishing. You can let it go, continue in the background, and you continue in the background, and it just goes away. Okay, and then you can go and work on other stuff. Now I'm going to go back here and stop the publish. Like if you frigged up and want to do it again, you can stop the publish and go back to it. It lists today, last week, and it keeps them all here, see? I'll show you some more functions later on Screencast-O-Matic. I don't have a link here anywhere. I'm not a link hoe as far as that goes. Just find Screencast-O-Matic, Google it, make sure you're on the actual Screencast-O-Matic site, download it for free, and get started. Until I talk to you guys again, stay out of trouble. Have a great day. Bye.